Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. Today we're gonna be talking about ChatGPT. This is like the new AI tool that allows you to basically answer the questions and it will spit out the answers, and that's what we're gonna try today. We're gonna ask the app to basically spit out the React Native code that we're gonna use, just to try it out if it works or not. Here you see, I basically asked, write a simple React Native mobile application that opens the app and shows two buttons. One button will open the pop-ups that say test, and the other button will open the pop-up that says test 2. Here it is, basically just the code, and that's it. Of course, it does not provide you the instructions how to create the React Native app itself, but it's quite simple, and I'm just gonna go through all those steps with you right now. So basically what we're gonna do this. We're gonna open the terminal, let's say, or you on your Mac, or you open the terminal, and of course what you're gonna do first, you're gonna create the React Native app. Those are the instructions. If you do not have the Expo installed, Expo framework, the Expo framework allows you the rapid development of the app. Basically it's like framework on top of the React Native that basically allows you to deploy instantly and everything. It's just like for our purposes we're gonna use this one. So if you do not have the Expo installed, you need to type this command right here. I already have it installed, so I don't need it to do it. But then the next step is gonna be creating the blank React Native Expo app. I'm gonna go to my programming folder right here. Then I'm gonna type this expo init. How about we call it ChatGPT app. Like this. It's basically just creating the template that we're gonna use. All right, it's done. It says your project is ready. We are now basically ready to use the code that we have right here. But first we're gonna basically go into this folder, which is called ChatGPTApp. We're gonna install all the dependencies because basically it created the template, but it does not have any dependencies, guys. So we need to install the dependencies. Since it's Node.js package, we're gonna use this simple command called npm install. All right, guys, so it's done. Next step will be opening the app in the Visual Studio Code to basically just modify the source code easily. All right, guys, here it is. Here's this folder, ChatGPTApp in the Visual Studio Code. I'm just gonna open the terminal, new terminal, and we're interested primarily in this file, app.js. We don't need all this stuff right here, so we're gonna just delete it, and we're gonna use the code from the ChatGPT. Copy code and then just paste it. So app.js is just basically the primary file right here. All right, guys, we just pasted the code. So next step, we're gonna be actually running the code, right? How to do it easily? We're just gonna type npm run Android, and let's see what happens. Since I have emulator installed, it's just gonna basically open my emulator, which is doing right now, and it's gonna open the app, and let's see. All right, guys, so we press test 2 button, for example, and it just says test 2, exactly the way it says right here in the code. This code is quite simple. It does not do much. It's like really simple kind of app, if I can call it this way. It basically proves the point that for simple code you can use ChatGPT. You can modify the code the way you want, but it still works the way it's expected in the most cases. So yeah, here it is, guys. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Feel free to try it out for yourself. ChatGPT is really awesome and cool. It really simplifies stuff. You can ask it for spit out the code for you. In the most cases it works fine. Please hit the like button, subscribe button if you like the video, and see you soon. Bye.